Welcome to Gourmet Aroma AI. Today we are diving into a classic yet elevated dish, ravioli, with a luxurious egg yolk filling. This dish is a true Italian gem, perfect for impressing guests or treating yourself. Let's start our pasta filling. For the filling, we mix together ricotta, spinach, parmesan, and touch of nutmeg and one egg to bring warmth to the dish. Don't forget to season with salt and pepper. Now here where it gets interesting. Let's start with our pasta dough. You want it to be thin enough to let the filling shine but sturdy enough to hold everything together. Roll it out to about 1 to 2 mm thickness, then cut into equal size of circles. Please check the description box. I give the link for the pasta dough and sheet how to make. Spoon a generous amount of the ricotta mixture onto the pasta circles. Make a small well in the center and carefully place the egg yolk right inside. The trick here is to handle the yolk gently so it stay intact. Brush the edges with water, then place another circle of the dough on top. Press down firmly so seal, making sure there are no air bubbles. This will ensure the egg yolk stay perfectly runny inside. Now let's make our simple yet flavorful butter garlic sauce. First I chop the garlic, then I heat the pan. In a pan, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the minced garlic. Let the garlic infuse its flavor into the butter for a minute. Now add the white wine and mix well. Then add the chicken stock and all together the mix. Now add the fresh cream and mix well. Now I add the black pepper and some thyme and salt. Mix well together, being carefully not to burn it. The butter garlic sauce is ready. Now gently drop the ravioli into simmering salted water. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. You will know they are ready when they float to the surface. Once the ravioli is done, gently remove them from the water and transfer them to the pan with the butter garlic sauce. Toss them lightly to coat. To finish, I am serving the ravioli with a light brown butter garlic sauce and fresh basil and olive oil and touch of grated parmesan cheese. The richness of the butter complement the creamy egg yolk perfectly. Now for the best part, when you cut into the ravioli, the yolk should flow out like liquid gold. This is what makes the dish truly special. And there you have it, ravioli with egg yolk filling, a delicate and delicious dish that bring elegance to any meal. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more culinary adventure. Bon appetit.